Riwruok ma joma mine FIDA obago nyasi ma hingo higni 40 nyaka ne chake. Nyasi manoyuore gi jotelo kaachiel gi mine mosekedo ne chike matayo sectors mopogore opogore. Moko kuom mine mosekalo e lwenje ma kit chwech mane oyuoro e nyasi ma kamano nochiwo sigandgi kaachiel gokenge ma gisegoyo bende konyo jogo ma mine mamoko makalo e lwenje ma kit chwech kod mamoko. Martha Karua ma bende noyuoro e nyasino onyiso joma mine mondo odhi nyime kod kedo ka ijiwogi mondo mi giteg riwruoge mag FIDA.
Change, new technologies, new political voices, and shifting economic realities. Yet amidst all this change, one truth remains. The measure of a nation's progress will always be how it treats its women and girls, and generally the marginalized in society. When women cannot walk safely on our streets, when survivors of gender-based violence are met with indifference, when young girls drop out of school for reasons of poverty or culture, then our development is hollow.
In my administration, I've made sure that whatever we are teaching as FIDA Kenya is being carried in the counties. I give priority to people. Public participation is a must in my county. I give my community an opportunity to suggest what we do.
So today, you can see I have scars on my face. I'm fitted with metal plates on my hand. I survived with a head surgery and a breast surgery. But still, the community judged me. As always, the community will judge women harshly. Fought for my rights.